Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6th String Fingerpicking. Today we're learning how to play a fingerstyle arrangement of Norah Jones's version of Don't Know Why. For this one we're in standard tuning and we have a capo placed onto the 3rd fret. Hope you enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe. If you'd like the full lesson and the guitar tab, that's available in the description. And if you'd also like to get early access to all of my song lessons, 25% off tabs, and you want to try out any of my fingerpicking courses for free, then you can. You just need to sign up to the newsletter, which you can do down in the description or up here. So go ahead and do that. But anyway, let's get right into the lesson. Okay, so here we go. Now we've got this lovely intro. To begin with, so as always, referring to all of the chords as if there were no capo on. So we're starting on a G major 7 chord. So here I'm holding down the 2nd fret on the top string, and really all you need to start off with is also the 3rd fret held down on the 6th string. And you want to play those two together, and then you're going to play the 3rd fret on the top string, and then that's going to go down to the 1st fret on the top string. So like this. 1, 2, and then you're going to play the open 3rd string. All right, and then it's the 3rd fret on the top string again, 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then open 2nd string. Okay, then hold down a C chord and play strings 5, 3, and then open. Okay, so, and then it's the 4th fret on the 2nd string, and then you go into it's like a B7, so then play the 2nd fret on the 5th string, open 3rd string, and then again it's that 4th fret on the 2nd, down to the 3rd fret. So from the C, that's the first 2 bars of your intro. Then it's over at E minor 7 and you're already in the perfect position. So just keep that 3rd fret held down on the 2nd string and play strings 6, 3, 2, and then play the 2nd fret on the 2nd string. So that's, and then it's A7. So again, your fingers are in the perfect position already. Keep that 2nd fret held down on the 2nd string and play strings 5, 3, and then 2nd string, and then 1st fret on the 2nd string. So from the E minor 7 there, you've gone. Okay, and then your fingers are in the perfect position for the last chord, which is, it's like a D dominant chord, but you just need that 1st fret held down on the 2nd string. Play strings 4, 3, and then 1 and 2 together. And then this last note, the 3rd fret on the 3rd string open, is actually a melodic note. Okay, so that's where she starts singing. Okay, so from that E minor 7, okay, that's your intro. Let's put it all together slowly. You have played. So of course that then goes straight into the verse, and the chord progression is exactly the same. G major 7, G7, C, B7, E minor 7, A7, D7, back to G. So lovely, lovely chord progression. But we just got to incorporate the melody. So we played on this last D dominant chord. And that open 3rd string there is the melody. That's where she sings. And then waited till I saw the sun. Don't know why I didn't come. Okay, so we've played that open 3rd string. Then we're going to our G major 7 chord. So hold down the 2nd fret on the top string, 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and 3rd fret on the 6th string. Play string 6, 1, and then 2nd string twice. So. And And then there's a G7. So just move the bass to the 3rd fret on the 4th string, play that. Open 2nd string, and then we're going to slide 3 to 4 on the 3rd string. Okay, so you've gone, I waited till I saw. Okay, then we're going to play the bass of a C chord, so the 3rd fret on the 5th string, and then we pull that 4th fret off on the 3rd string to open, and then pluck the 3rd string again. So it's like, just like that. I waited till I saw the sun. Okay, pretty cool, a little bit tricky. But then play open top string, and then the 4th fret on the 2nd string. And then this is exactly the same as in the intro that we just learned. So then it's the B7, so play the 5th string, 2nd fret, open 3rd string, and then frets 4, 3 on the 2nd string. So then it's E minor. So play strings open 6, 3, 2, and then I slide 3 to 2 on the 3rd string. So okay, and then open 5th string for A. Okay, and then open 3rd string twice. And then we're going to our D, so we're then going to hammer the 3rd fret on the 3rd string. And as it comes down, play the bass note, so the open 4th string, like that. Followed by open 2nd string. Okay, so don't know why I didn't come. So all together, I waited till I saw the sun. Don't know why I didn't come. Pretty cool. Then it's back to G, so we play our bass note. And then just very lightly, we're then on the 4th string going to slide 2 to 5. So if you listen to the recording, that's what you can hear. There's a little slide going on. So that's your first 4 bars. And then on the G chord, you go back to the bass, play that. So hold down your G major 7 chord again, play the bass, top string, 2nd string twice, and then G7. So again, we just move the bass to the 4th string, 3rd fret, play that. Okay, then open 2nd string. And then again, we slide up 3 to 4 on the 3rd string. That's going to our C, play the bass. And again, we do the pull off and then play the 3rd string. So it's exactly the same pretty much as before. And then just like before, open top string and then 4th fret on the 2nd string. And then same as before for our B7 bass, open 3rd string, and then on the 2nd string, 4th fret, 3rd fret. So it's exactly the same. Just think of the lyrics. Left you by the house of fun. And then the E minor, exactly the same as before. So it's just open string 6, 3, 2. And then remember we slide 3 to 2 on the 3rd. A. So we just play the bass. And then just like before, open 3rd string twice. We do the hammer to the 2nd fret, play the bass on your 4th string as it comes down. So, followed by open 2nd string. So it's pretty much, these 4 bars are pretty much the same as the previous 4 bars, okay? So just think of the lyrics because that's slightly different. So if you put those 8 bars together, you've got I waited till I saw the sun. And then left you by the house of fun. That's the only bit that's different. Left you by the house of fun. But the rest, exactly the same. And then we play the bass of your G. And then it's open 3rd string. And then on the 4th string, play frets 5, 3. And then it's going to the 2nd fret. And with that, play the open 6th string. So it's like, don't know why I didn't come. And then again, don't know why I didn't come. Okay, so you do that walk down 5, 3, and then second fret on the 4th string. That's over an E minor. And then after that it's open 3rd string, open 2nd string, and then we're sliding 3 to 2 on the 3rd string. And then it's A, so play the bass of your A chord. And then again, open 3rd string twice, do your hammer and play the bass of your D chord. And then open the 2nd string. Okay, so those 4 bars there. And then there's this little fill. That is on the 3rd string, sliding 2 to 4. Then play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So, and then you're going to again slide 2 to 4 on the 3rd string. So, and then back to your G, bass note with open 3rd string, 2nd fret on the top, and then 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then again going to G7, so play the 3rd fret on the 4th string, open 2nd string, and again we slide 3 to 4 on the 3rd, bass note of your C, we do a pull off again on the 3rd string, and then pluck it. Okay, so again, it's exactly the same. So there, that's when I saw the break of day, wish that I could. Okay, so it's the same. Just always really learn the lyrics. It really will help you out. There's a little fill here that I do, which is just, so on the 4th string, that's just open 2, and then open 3rd string, and then we're going to hammer open to 2 on the 4th string, and then open 4th string. So just, and then it's standing in the sand, catching teardrops in my hand. So we've done our little fill. We played the open 4th string. Okay, and then it's our melody again. So 2nd fret on the top, 3rd fret on the 2nd string twice, and then the 3rd fret on the 4th string for your bass, open 3rd, okay, and then we're going to slide 2 to 3 on the 3rd string, okay, so, and then it's going to be open 2nd string with the 3rd fret on the 5th string, followed by open 3rd string, open top string, and then 4th fret on the 2nd string, down to our B7, so we play a bass note, and then open 3rd string, and then 4-3, just like normal there. And then we've got, okay, so that's E minor, just play open strings 3 and 6, and then open 2, and then we're going to slide 3 to 2 on the 3rd string, and then play open 5th string, open 3rd string. So just, so from that little fill, and then we just got, so that's just open strings 3 and 4, then 2nd fret on the 3rd string, followed by open 3rd, okay, in my hand, catching teardrops in my hand, and then it's just G, bass note, and then I'll play strings 3 and 2, and that is your verse. So those last few bars you've gone, so here's the verse once more from the start of it, played nice and slow. I waited till I saw the sun. Don't know why I didn't come slide. Left you by the house of mine. Don't know why I didn't come. I don't know And then after that, it goes straight into the chorus. So if you want to learn how to play that, and then after that there's another verse and then into the outro, I'm teaching it over on my website. So the link's down in the description. You get the rest of the lesson right away completely for free. So if you want to carry on, just follow the link through. But that's where we're going to leave it. Thanks so much. Really hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time.